Hello and welcome to you all. I'm Anila and today I'm going to show you how to create a mini scrapbook album. Let us begin creating the base structure of the album. Here I have a black cardstock and some cardboard pieces, the measurements of which are displayed on the screen. We begin by sticking the cardboard pieces to the black cardstock. Trim the corners and glue all the sides. For the spine, take a piece of black cardstock and score it as per the measurements mentioned on the screen. Stick two half-inch scored lines throughout the cardstock, maintaining the 1/4 inch gap in between. So the binding of the album is now ready with all the half inches fold facing one side. Let us stick this to the base of the album. We will now create the pockets for the album. So take a black cardstock of the size mentioned, score it at 1/4 inch from one side and 3.5 inch from the other side. Fold and stick the ends together to create a pocket. We'll create two more pockets in the same manner. Trim the corners of the folds for easy insertion of the pockets. Apply glue to the fold and stick the pocket over it. Repeat this for all the pockets. Let us now begin sticking the pattern papers. For the cover page of the album, we will be adding ribbons under the pattern paper. So these ribbons will help us for the closure of the album. We will stick the pattern paper from the outside now. Let us now work on the individual pockets. For the first pocket, I am going to create flaps using this cardstock. So I will first cover the pocket using a pattern paper and then stick the flaps over it. Cover all the remaining pockets with the pattern papers. Here we are creating inserts for each page by covering the black cardstock with pattern paper from both the sides. We'll also be adding a ribbon to each insert. We will now create some pockets for holding tags and cover them with pattern papers. We will add 2 flaps and 1 strip on the third page. I will now add some sentiments to the pages. For the front, we are going to create a shaker element using this oval die cut and embellish it later with flowers and some stamped sentiments. And that completes our mini scrapbook album. We'll now enjoy a quick walkthrough of the album. Hope you all enjoyed the tutorial with me. For any queries, please drop a message in the comment section below and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.